Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fish soup at home. We'll start by selecting the freshest ingredients to build a flavorful base. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of firm white fish, like cod or snapper, along with essential vegetables. Having 6 cups of quality broth and your favorite herbs on hand will ensure a rich and aromatic soup. This simple approach guarantees a comforting and satisfying meal for everyone. Now, let's build the foundational flavors for our soup. Begin by gently sautéing your diced aromatic vegetables in 2 tablespoons of olive oil until they become tender. Next, introduce 2 cloves of minced garlic, cooking for just about 1 minute until its aroma fills your kitchen. Then, pour in 6 cups of your chosen broth, bringing it to a soft simmer. Don't forget to season it perfectly with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. With our flavorful broth simmering, it's time to introduce the star of our dish, the fish. Carefully cut your 1.5 pounds of fish fillets into uniform 1-inch to 1.5-inch pieces. Gently place these into the hot broth, making sure each piece is fully submerged. Allow the fish to cook for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, or until it becomes opaque and flakes effortlessly with a fork. Remember, overcooking can make the fish tough, so keep a close eye on it. For the final flourish, let's add some vibrant freshness to our soup. Stir in 1/4 cup of freshly chopped dill and 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, which will brighten the flavors beautifully. Take a moment to taste and adjust any seasonings, ensuring it's perfectly balanced to your liking. Ladle the warm, aromatic soup into individual bowls, perhaps with a sprinkle of extra herbs. Serve it immediately alongside some crusty bread for a truly comforting and delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.